All right, what's going on here? Let me see. I'm multi-streaming. That's very good, my friend. Very good. Let me see if this little ball man is online, huh? Look at him. Copy this thing real quick. Pause this Discord. By the way, guys, you can join the Market Monkey Discord. You can join my Discord. You can join them all if you want. If you want to learn about the stuff that I'm building, you know what I mean? Everyone, I'm live. Cancel all your dates. Quit WhatsApp, of course, because yeah, you know what's happening on WhatsApp. You know what's happening in WhatsApp stays in WhatsApp, my mans. All right, let's boot this quickly up. Boom. Yeah. Coding Garrafan. What's going on, my man? Yeah. Today we're gonna do some light work, baby. Some light work. Light work. We got the fucking footprints in, brother. Look at this. Holy crap. Imbalances and everything. Even higher time frames. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Some ClickHouse, baby. We're gonna do ClickHouse, maybe. Now I'm using timescale, but I have the biggest idea. I'm talking with some very, I'm gonna say that. I'm talking with some real quants, some real funds, and everybody's using ClickHouse. And I have a big idea to interop with their ClickHouse system. It's gonna be super secret for now, but I'm gonna build it. It's gonna be crazy. It's one of my mind. I don't know what happened. I was in the gym, and suddenly, boom, bam, the idea struck by lightning. Bam, ClickHouse. Because, by the way, we don't actually need ClickHouse for now, but we might. Because, like I said, what we're gonna build here at the Market Monkey Labs, at the Market Monkey Terminal organization is going to be crazy, guys. Listen, I have so many good ideas. Look at this. ClickHouse is being investigated. Yeah, but GD, is there even a schedule for your stream? No, there is no schedule, bro. I'm streaming as the wind goes. All in real time, baby. Look at that. There's some market action. It's always on Sunday. It's like. It's always on Sunday evening, and after so many years of experience, you know when the market is like behaving. And this time, around 6, my time, I don't know what's happening. People come home and they want to just dump before they open tomorrow, you know what I mean? Maybe that's it, or maybe they want to buy, I don't know. Yeah, but always impressed of your work. Unlike other devs, your project have senior dev level coding. Thanks for that. Hey, no problem, man. Like I said, I don't want to be like the rest. Yo, I had a question. Is your actor library faster than proto actor thinking of stick to one? It's faster, yeah. Why is it faster? Because it's micro optimized. We use VT protobuf, and I'm using DRPC. So VT Proto Buff. So from Planet Scale, and it's basically what is this font size? Blind homies. Yo, what is this? VT Proto. It basically does no reflection, and then you have DRPC, the same thing. It's faster. That's the way. That's why. Yeah. Does it have historical data? Yes, it has. It has historical data. Of course, this is my local server, but I can connect to my live server, which will be live soon. So now for me, I'm gonna have historical data, right? Of course, we're not gonna be the trading view where you're gonna have 5 years of historical data, because that's not our focus. Because if you want to trade the markets, what are you gonna do with fucking 5 years of historical data? It's useless, right? Unless you want to run some ML things on it, but that's not. The core business is to see order flow, liquidity, scripting, your scripts, plots, all the shenanigans depth of market, which I'm gonna code in tomorrow. Of course, a little bit of history is always nice, but 5-year history is useless. You know what I mean? Well, quote, right? Don't. It's not exactly true what I say, but it's also true. It's like, you know what I mean? Yeah. Okay. Cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to basically do some more settings here, change some UI stuff as well. So I had a couple of websites that I really like. ClickHouse, for example. I suddenly came to click. This yellow is so fucking nice, man. I don't know what it is, but I love yellow. I love fucking yellow, man. I'm gonna fucking copy paste this thing. I swear to God. And nobody's going to stop me. You also have this other thing that I saw, social tip from Miss Booty. You have the same yellow. I like it. It's like greenish thing. I like this, man. So I think maybe we should try that. And you can see it in the app as well, right? I also have yellow, you see? But it's not the good yellow. And I want to also change some stuff. So let's dive into that, right? First of all, we're going to yoink ClickHouse color. I'm so sorry, ClickHouse. How do we do that? Yeah, how do we do that actually? Inspect this thing. Here, this one, RGB, GG min. Thank you. What? Thank you very much. Yellow. Gonna be a 4, F32. Paste this in. Boom. Actually, to be honest, that should be... Wait, what's going on here? Okay. Alpha. The alpha and the omega. To be honest, we have primary. Underscore primary. Some little teaming going on, huh? Primary. Let's see if that's gonna work. Yeah, and now we can't see anything, man. What's that? We need some braille. Some braille going on. Okay. This is fine. I don't like this color as well. This standard MGUI shenanigans going on. Okay. So how can I'm trying to basically get the fucking text black on hover and I can't figure it out. It's insane. Was sitting down coding for a long period ever have a problem for you, or did it come naturally? Was sitting down and coding for a long period. I cannot code for long periods. 4 hours and the game's over. Simple as it is. I'm gonna be straight up honest. I'm very productive because I built this like in no time. Rewrite it 2 times. Productivity doesn't mean coding a lot of coding. It's not like that. Productivity comes from a free mind, and for everybody that's different. For me, that's in the morning. Slightly a piece in the evening, and everything in between is garbage. So if you have a job and you need to work for 8 hours, that's impossible. I never do that. If I hire people, I don't care. They work whenever they want, right? If they work 3 hours, it's fine. Do they work at night? It's fine. I don't care. No stand-ups, no meetings, no nothing. That's stand-up, meetings, all that stuff. That's basically for unproductive people only. It's so unproductive. It's I don't even understand why people do that. It's really for it's actually, to be honest, it's for losers. I'm so sorry. It doesn't work. It doesn't fucking work. It doesn't work. If you need to talk to somebody, you just Slack him, Discord him, you call him, WhatsApp him, do a voice message. I do this all the time, sending voice messages, and they fix it. You know what I mean? Only codes in your peak hours. Do all the bullshit in your off hours and go to the fucking gym. Are we digging this color, guys? Are we digging this? Only if we can get the text black. Only if we can get the text black. So how do we do that? We don't fucking know. It's in-game, man. It's like it's a maze. It's like a maze, man. It's a maze, brother. I don't like this. If app is nil, do return. It's fine. But my job had tons of meetings. Yeah, so I was hired for 16K in a month. And I needed to do meetings, and I needed to read documents and onboarding. I said, fuck, I'm out of here. Peace out. I don't care. And I started building Market Monkey, and I earned nothing. Well, Market Monkey makes money, but it's all reinvested into the company, right? It's not. It doesn't work. And then you have a meeting. I was in these meetings as well because I worked there for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I think. And it's like a meeting is basically only for people that feel de-appreciated to share their opinion in tech companies. That's what meeting is. That's what meetings are, right? So some kind of a project manager that has no clue, basically he does not know anything, comes with some kind of a spec, right? That's already completely out of scope because he doesn't fucking know, right? With a time date, and he comes with deadlines. They don't know. They are completely useless. Then they shove that into the meeting, and then you have a bunch of other developers feeling underappreciated, and they want to say their thing, right? They want to be heard. That's meetings. That's a meeting. And by the end of that meeting, nobody has done anything, and nobody knows what to do. And then the things begin. The meeting is done. Everybody starts slacking with each other. Commenting on PRs the whole fucking day. Man, come on, man. Hey, people ask me, why are you so productive? Do you have not a life? Your kids miss you. Man, I play with my kids more than most people play because I have so much free time. I only code like 4 hours, 6 hours a day. Max. On a maximum. On a fucking maximum. It's just like, I know the secrets, but nobody believes me. But that's not my problem, right? I'm just telling you, and you can do whatever you want with it. Okay, I need Claude here. Claude is gonna help me. Claude is AI. They should call him Claudius. That's the deepest nesting. Yeah, it's Imgui, man. Welcome to the world of Imgui, man. My man. If. But it's no problem. You know what I mean? Because you are a vibe coder, isn't it, Ashton? I remember that. You don't write code anymore, huh? How do I set the text of a button black when hovered? Actually, to be honest, always. Nee! No, he's gonna flip. He's gonna flip. Stop. Oh man, I hate AI, but it's faster than Google. And MGUI. MGUI, man. When did you realize you were ready to work for yourself? That's a good question. I don't know. What is this? How can you guys? How can you guys use it? How can people build games with this, man? How do I set the text of a button black? And he just says this. Hey, man. Come on, man. Man. The color, of course. The thing is, listen, guys, I'm gonna be completely honest. You're never ready. Listen, if it's very simple. If you, I'm gonna be completely honest with you, right? Completely honest. It has nothing to do with skills or being good. Because I am not better than anybody else. Like you, for example. Like how many people are watching here? Maybe, I don't know, maybe 50 or something. 50 here and 50 on Twitch. 100 max. I don't know anymore. I don't check it anymore. I basically took it that I'm not popular. But, so I'm not better. I always say that. You can probably code more efficient than me sometimes. But it's not about that, right? It's not about that. It's about the mindset. It's the mindset that makes the difference between reaching your goals, whatever that may be, or not. Very simple. And I have an incredible belief in myself. I have this, it's not an ego. It's I just believe in my fucking self. Always. If I needed, for example, I needed to run, I was planning a marathon. I don't like to run. I have never run more than like 10 kilometers in my life. And I planned for a marathon, and I was not afraid. Because I knew the moment I started training that I'm gonna reach the finish line. No matter what. Nothing is gonna stop me. Nothing. Nobody. It was no big of a deal. It was already here in my mind. Visionary. It was set. The solution, the outcome was already done. Already happened in my mind. You know what I mean? There's this and sometimes things go south. But that's where you learn, right? You just need to believe in yourself. That's the key. That's the key, man. The fucking key. Like, I cannot teach you how to code. I can teach you the mindset. The rest will come automatically. Everybody has his own ways of learning things. It's the mindset, brothers. But this is gonna work, right? Push style color. I understand this, but this is a menu item, right? Widget. This is like begin menu widget here. So can I do this? MGUI push color. Yeah. Push style. It's gonna be this. Button. Maybe is that gonna be text? It's a color like that. Let's do RGBA to settings black. That's not gonna. Can I do this? Probably gonna break because this defer statements here is a little bit scuffed. I'm not gonna lie. This is fine. The moment you hover, it needs to be. I cannot. This is the simplest thing that I cannot figure out, man. I cannot figure it out. This is the first time I get you live, and I want to thank you so much for your content. Hey, no problem, man. Thank you for being here. Like, it's for you guys that I do this. You know what I mean? Okay, it's okay. Why is it so hard to change a button color on hover? It makes no sense. Wait, maybe, but they use these weird things, right? Text selected, is that a thing? There is no text selected, man. God fucking damn it. I think I need to Google this, by the way. We need to do the old school. Here. I'm not the only one that has this problem. I feel you, brother. The button color. Okay, but I don't want the fucking button color. The text of the button color is what I want. The text of the button color. Text color. The text color of the button on hovering. That's what I want. At the moment, it isn't public! We fucked! Styling in V2 will include it. Ah, yeah? Do we have... Okay, we fucked. We're completely... How is the skills at C++? Probably scuffed. Okay, I cannot fucking find it, of course, with these bindings, huh? We cooked. Bomba kla! We cooked! Man, this, I mean, guys, let's be honest. Okay, you built this crazy UI library, but you can't change the fucking color of a text on hover. Can you imagine that? Oh, I'm just... But could be that it's frame header, like frame header text. That's BG, right? MG cold text, yeah, I understand that. I'm gonna do something crazy. I'm gonna make it red. Okay. Okay, this is basically text. So can we do something like... Let me try. I don't know. I need to learn that. I don't know everything, guys. I don't know everything. I need to learn it myself. That's why I want to do it on stream, because I don't do... you see, these things I don't do in my productive hours. That's completely useless. I do these things when I'm basically half asleep in the sofa or seat or whatever you're going to call it, or on stream, because it's like brainless things. You just need to try stuff. So I think I'm going to do is imgu is button. Is item. Doesn't make any sense, but it is what it is. And now we need to give it something like a... Oh, wait. This item is hovered. Can we save this, huh? Please? F. We need to write code, brother. Fubar. That's not gonna work. I think we need to push it on the previous. The stack. The stack will do this. The stack will take the first one. That's how MGB works, right? Oh no, it takes the whole menu, huh? I think I need to rewrite this menu. Are you still vaping? Yeah, unfortunately. There is better Go. This is not Go, and MGO is best. There is nothing better as that, especially not for what I'm building. I explained this in my previous stream. If you build UIs that are static, it's not good. If you build UIs that are not static, it's very good. Just like what I'm building, it's not static at all, right? Everything moves and ticks and changes on the fucking fly in real time. So basically MGUI is immediate drawing, which basically means real time is kind of immediate. So these things are basically hand in hand, right? You're gonna see I'm changing the game, brother. Believe me. I trust. Have a little faith. I could actually make these buttons myself, but still. God fucking damn it, I wanna have this yellow. I wanna rip this yellow off, huh? Johnny Sins is here, brother. Okay, you know what? It's not gonna. I need to find another color, huh? It still makes no sense for me. Like, this is a big mistake, in my opinion. That could be a good color. That you cannot hook in this bullshit. Check, go and find, but guys, again, believe me. Listen, if you want to give me advice and stuff, build it yourself first and come back. Because your to-do list Python clone is not gonna cut it. You know what I mean? Everybody wants to come here and give advice on how things work, but they can not even build a simple React application. Can you imagine that? This is on Click. Black text. Racists. Why do you change streams in VS so often? Because I'm a maniac. I'm a maniac, bro. I'm a maniac. Wait, what is this? What are these flagos? No type hinting. Oh, annoying. There should be like a bit set. Should be like this. Okay, another plan. So gonna be this yellow. Actually, to be honest, yellow is nothing. Let's open up Binance real quick to see. Let's rip something from there. Let's steal something from their UI. You know what I mean? Futures. Open up some. Oh, open up a terminal, brother. Come on. White text. Yeah. They don't have these things, huh? Okay, let's see what ChatGN is doing. Let's steal something from there. Come on, man. Open up a pop-up, man. Pop-up. Here. Okay, GG. I found it. I found it, bro. I found it. You know what? I have an idea. Fuck that. I'm using my own tools. I'm using my fucking own tools, bro. To generate a color. That works. Shit. I'm generating. I'm using my own. I'm rolling my own. Wait. I'm rolling my own out. I'm in charge. Let's make it big. Alright, guys. We're gonna pick a color. I'm gonna pick a color, bro. Is that sis? It's a little bit sis, huh? Okay. Oh yeah. Oh! We are there. Oh, look at this, guys. Yes, sentiment changing. We can actually do some yellow, huh? Best of both worlds. What do you think? Nah. Can we? Okay, this one is good. Maybe a little lighter. A little bit more. Yes, we got it! We got it, boys. This is the color we need. Somebody take notes. 39, 39, 51. Easy peasy, chicken wheezy. Lemon squeezy. 39, 39, 51. 39, 39, 51. 39, 39, 51. 39, 39, 51. 39, 39, 51. 39, 39, 51. Because my brain is fucked. Special. Okay, now we know special, a nice variable. We did this. Probably me. I'm gonna call it foo for now. F32. Boom. Boom. Alpha 255. Save. Where are we using primary for? So I'm gonna do. This was our original primary. Primary original. Second primary. Turn this into primary. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Ah, not too shabby. What do you think? Dude, I came from CPP, OpenGL, game developments. I am not stupid, web dev or Python. Idiot. Okay. I know MGUI. Because it's the go-to game dev UI lib. But it's bad for most cases. Yes. Nobody called you an idiot, man. Nobody called you an idiot. Why are you so mean? Well, to be honest, we could use... Fine is bad, man. Everything that's written for Go is bad. It's just garbage, completely garbage. Forget it. Forget about it. Forget it. Just forget it. Everything that's Electron, forget it. Trash. Completely useless. Of course, for the majority, right, for the 99%, it's going to be amazing. Wow, but if you want to do real stuff, look at my Twitter. This is easy. This is easy UI. It's easy peasy. Everybody can render this. Everybody can render this UI. Easy. That's easy peasy, right? There's no big of a deal. But check my other pictures. When we have like 60 of these things open, you know what I mean? That's the difference, right? So you see that all these things are moving. This is all real time, right? Even footprints. Look, these things are moving on the fly. So that's why MGUI is good, because it needs to update anyway. Like every, I don't know. So it needs to do it anyway. So there is no need to use something static like in non-intermediate mode. That's killing yourself. It's so annoying. People call me crazy. People call me crazy for using Odin. People call me crazy for using MGUI. People gonna call me crazy when I'm driving my Ferrari. You know what I mean? People call me crazy my whole life. That's the thing. So I don't trust people anymore, because I always followed my intuition. And I always set my own meta. So fuck them. What do I need to do? This is so annoying, like these little ticky wikis, right? Little ticky wikis. Do we really want to put some thing in it? Like actually put some thing in it, huh? Okay, let's steal something else. NC, Lee, Co, NC. Man, I can't even type. Terminal. Let's just steal. Steal from the Robin Hood. We steal from the rich, give to the poor. That's the same. Okay, GG. Okay, so we have this thing. Can we... I'm gonna keep it like that. It's fine. It's maybe a little bit more lighter. What happens if we have another if we have another thing? Okay, we need to change that. This is an active one. We don't see it, right? This is the overlap. Wait, what did I do actually? I got the best idea. We're gonna do an accent. I'm gonna do a little accent. Like I'm Picasso, bro. Listen. I'm a perfectionist. Don't get me wrong, it needs to be pinpoint precise. Exactly like I envisioned it. We're gonna revert here. This is this accent. I'm gonna call it accent yellow. Accent yellow. Yellow accent. With the mellow accent. Yellow accent. We're gonna do this, right? I'm sorry guys, it's sort of boring, but these things need to happen. Business is business. By the way, I made a website as well. Look at that. Market, monkey, terminal.com. What the fuck, man? Look at this. Holy crap. We want you in the beta. If you do this, nothing happens. Just we give you the false assumption. Actually, what happens, to be honest? Who is Astrid? Whoops, this forum hasn't been configured yet. Alright. You can just do things, guys. You know what I mean? Okay, accent. So we're gonna go to styles. I wanna get this done, man. Anti-aliasing. Tab rounding. Button host. Tab selected. Tab unfocused. Tab selected overline. Tab selected overline. Tab selected overline. Yellow accent. Actually, to be honest, this is where cursor, we don't use cursor anymore. I swear to God. Cursor, fuck cursor. I swear. Okay, that's what I want. Like a little accent. That's weird. Yeah, exactly. I know what you're thinking. Yeah, crazy, isn't it? I know what you're thinking here. This is okay. This is this tab deactive. Guys, tab selected overline, tab focused active, tab unfocused active. Tab unfocused active. Tab hovered. Tab header hover. What the fuck's going on, bro? Changing the game. Shit. What is this? Tab unfocused active. Panel BG. I'm gonna do that just for the sake of, then we can see what the fuck changed because we don't know, right? Oh. Wait, this is so weird. What is that? This is unfocused. Okay, we don't like that. We don't like that at all. We don't fucking like that. Revert. This panel BG is gonna be tab header hovered. Title BG. Jesus, man. We actually, to be honest, we didn't configure it, right? Because otherwise it would not have the standard and GUI thingy. So we're gonna copy this bad boy here, paste this in here, save this for the indentation. We're gonna say tab. Is it dent? Could be. Could be. It's not dimmed. It is dimmed. Wait, let me check. Oh, man, I'm so confused. No. It's a tab. Should panel BG, man. Makes no sense. We're also using implot, yes, but yeah, yes. But most of it, I draw nothing with implot. I just use implot for axes things. And the lines. And maybe the bars later. But everything what you see is not implot. Custom draw list. What is this color? Bro. Wait, I have the best idea in the world. Open up the MGO demo window, brother. It suddenly pops up. Configuration is what we need. Backend flags. Has gamepad. Style, yes. Yes, okay. Okay. Hey, frame border. I like that. Yeah, bro. Yes, a frame border. Okay. How does it work? Yeah, man. Yes. GG. Frame border, we need that. Take notes, we need that. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Man, this window is bigger than the ocean. Misc. Okay. Is that allemaal? Header active. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna make some tabs real quick. Here. Let's put this guy in here. Let's put this guy in here. Right? And this guy in here. Wait. Yeah. 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 Shit. Yeah, okay, reset. Nice. Text link. Header active. Is that what we did? We did that. Wait. Oh, fuck. I'm confused. 3MPG active. It should be this. It should be this. No, it's not. We can save that, bro. What is this? This blue, man. It should be this. No. Tap. Okay, it's tap. Makes no sense. It's just tap. Makes no sense, right? How old are you when you start to get your first dev job? 20 or something. Something like that. Problem is okay, we can see it there. It's boring, innit? I know. Super boring, man. Shit needs to happen, you know? And you guys are basically the victim of all of this. This is trash. I cannot change the text, so I'm fucked, right? So I need to fix. Okay, let's take okay, stop. Press enter. Can we save this? Oh, I don't like it. Question is, does it save that? It doesn't. The bitch. Okay. Enough played around with. We know it's tab, right? And yeah, it's not really primary, right? You can live with that, guys. What do you think? We can live with that, right? BTC again. Okay. Oh, I can dig it. I dig it. Mr. Worldwide. Is project for fun, or are you trying to make it into a business? Yes, I'm trying to make it into a business, brother. This is exit liquidity. Exit liquidity, brother. No, I'm just having a lot of fun. And it took me like I had a lot of years I didn't had fun, and now I have a shit ton of fun. I enjoy building this. It's product founder fit because I'm my career breakthrough in engineering in general. It was with crypto and trading. That's where I got my the gross of my peak, and I'm still peaking, baby. Career started with that, right? Building blockchains on the side, learning low level stuff, networking, picked up by the community, got hired. Made a lot of money. Guys made an exchange. They asked me to joined the exchange, built the exchange, decentralized, but Nash.io. Wrote Elixir, trading, market making. Then I worked for others, Ethereum Foundation, Change Save, all that stuff. That's my career. You know, people don't realize that, but that's the growth of my career, was these things. And now I have the ability trading light, and now I have the ability to have all the ideas and all the experience I built up in my life. I also made good money. I'm not, well, what is rich? I'm not rich. I'm normal. But I have savings. I have a business. I have time. I put myself in the position that I can work on this full time to build my vision, to build what I think is good, talk with people, build what they want. People are paying for this. Funds the project, keeps me going. You know what I mean? They say what they want. I build it. Project gets better. And then we're going to see where we go from, right? We add trading execution. People trade through the terminal. We take broker fee. There's a lot of options on the plate, you know? I'm happy with this, guys. Guys, chat, why didn't you say... Look at that. I like it. They're eating liquidity from this thing. Okay, what we're gonna do is the frame border. Was it the frame border? I think it is. I think it was. Style, frame, border size, 1. Imagine using Rust. You cannot do what I do, right? Like in 1 second, you type something. Oh shit. You type something and you compile it and you run it. It's impossible in Rust. You need to wait 3 minutes before your project is compiled, you know? Okay, this is a frame border. So why do we have frame borders here? That makes no sense to me. That makes no sense to me, bro. Wait, where's VPVR? Ah, here, okay. Wait. Selectable, why is that? Makes no sense. I cannot see the border very well, to be honest. That's not what it is, I guess. Let me open up Helpline real quick. Frame border doesn't work in tabs. Okay. (2017). 2017 was basically when I late 2017. So I actually missed basically just like everybody. I went into crypto because Bitcoin was booming. Bitcoin was booming, right? But I missed completely everything, right? I was like 20k. It was already going down. Going down. It was like around the peak period, right? That's where I joined. Right? I missed completely everything. Classic. So I don't make any decent money back then. But that's where I started, right? End 2017. In crypto. Which is like 8 years ago. Oh. Okay, next thing on the list. Are these buttons? This is mGUI with Sokkel. I'm thinking it's gonna be a chart. It's not gonna work what I'm doing here. This is gonna be that's for later. Are you a swing trader? No, man. I am not a swing trader. The only thing I do is I buy these things at good levels and I build infrastructure for people that are quantitative trading market makers. Maybe if this is done, maybe I can start doing market making as well again. Well, I was not really I worked for a market maker. I built the infrastructure that they are using, right? But the quants itself, they don't build the infrastructure. They build the algorithms. They build the models. I'm actually not very suited to build models because my brain is not smart enough. But I'm very good at building everything you guys need to be successful. You know. What are we doing here? The thing is, can we not just do... Can I cast this to a string? That's probably an integer. Yeah, that's what I was thinking here. Okay, no problem. I'm gonna fix it. That cannot be a string. Can it be a string? Can it never be a string? Must be an integer. Candlestick. Actually, let's do this. Come on, Anthony. Yes. Why is it not saving decently? Okay, thanks. No, it would be a C string, man. Chart type to string. There's no goal line, so we can do this. GG, well played, I would say. Something is going on. Something is wrong. This makes no sense. Something is going on, guys. Yeah, this is basically because server down. I mean, that's not a thing. It's like... You see? Okay, I don't know. And this is where I can learn about development of trading engine. I have some videos on YouTube about a trading engine. We basically built some engine completely from scratch, from zero. We built a complete trading engine, and then we hook it to a custom, a private Ethereum blockchain with, I don't know what it's called, and we link it to the exchange, and we trade, and we execute on the blockchain. Who does that? Yeah, I know. Nobody. Okay, something's going on. There's a little bug here. I don't know what it is, but it could be that because local, you know, it's not loading volumes anymore. Should I become a grand quantitator? Ashton. Okay, wait. We can debug this real quick. It's weird. Ain't gonna work, huh? Is it gonna work if we do the S? It ain't gonna work. Huh. I'm gonna do this. Learn about data structure is a game changer. Well, you need to know your data structures, but do you? I'm gonna be completely honest. If yes, yeah, actually, yeah. The basics, do them. The basics, binary trees, maybe R trees in general. Linked lists, double linked lists, ring buffers, circle, double-sided ring buffers. These things is very important. Actually, do you need to know them 100% to write them? No, but it's definitely nice because you're gonna use them a lot from time to time. Of course, if you're a web developer, you don't. If you're a web dev, the only thing you need to do is open up Cursor. Okay, nice. It does it. It does it. It does it. GG. I need to fix this bug. I don't know what it is. That's annoying, actually. Oh, now it works. Why is that? I think the problem is with these offsets here that it cannot find something in these gaps and then, you know, but let's hope not, but let me do it again. Maybe it's like a small little race gun or something. Seems good, to be honest. Okay, the next thing that I also want to do, basically, so we fix this, is having the same size, but we can't. It doesn't actually make sense to have them on the same size because there's one minute button. If that has the same size as these two, makes no sense. And these need to be fonts. That actually we're gonna test fonts as well. We have still some time. Fonts, icons with font, awesome. TTF. I don't know if it's gonna work, to be honest. Like I said, this stream is a little bit more of a small polishing thing. A small polishing thing. That's what I'm doing right now. Because next week I'm gonna start scripting, trading execution. We're gonna see. We're gonna see because small polish. Yes, small little polish. We need to do a small little polish. Like this was. These things were yellow, man. I was like, makes no fucking sense. I couldn't see anything. And adding some more indicators, but that's easy. Adding indicators is easy, right? You can write, I don't know, you can write 20 indicators on one day. I have a layer system set up like MA, super easy. EMA is the same thing, but different. It's just a combination of two MAs. All this bullshit, all these garbage indicators, basically, you can add them in. That's just some simple calculations, you know what I mean? That's not a big of a deal. We don't know what, not worried about. What I'm gonna do is the DOM, because this order book is kind of, I don't know, doesn't tell you a lot, in my opinion. You see this everywhere. Shit. I don't like this. Let's get him out of here. You see these order books everywhere, but actually what you want is DOM, right? Depth of market. Because what I can do is I have access to trades, right? Trades coming in real time. I can basically just put fills in here, market orders, right? These are all the limits here, limits there, bits, asks, and we can plot. We can actually basically just put the market fills in here, the fills, yeah, the market orders basically in here, right? That's nice. And we can even put the market orders on the chart as well if we want. You know, so this order book, I'm gonna, not quite sure. Should I actually just delete this order book and just use the depth of market kind of a view where you have like basically like something like this with these columns, right? But then, I mean, people will know, right? The people that needs to know, they know what I mean. This makes no sense. What is this? Nice bug, by the way. We're gonna see. Is this live? What do you mean? This data? Or the of course it's live. Look. As live as it can be, brother. Okay. Look at this. It's all live. I need to pee, and then we're gonna try to load. Wait, what are we gonna do? We're gonna. Wait, oh yeah, two things I'm gonna do. We need to change the alpha for this because it's too bright. You can change that here, right? You can change the volumes here if you really want to. Oh no, the volumes are here. The VPVR, you can, everything is configurable. You can even change the bin sizes on the fly. And change the color as well. But it needs to start a little bit more subtle, you know? It needs to start a little bit more subtle. So I'm gonna quickly pee because what the fuck is this, man? I can basically play with these colors for hours, guys. I swear to God, I am like this something like a rabbit hole in my mind. I'm not gonna lie. Let's do this. Be right back. Hey brothers, what's going on? Yes, correctly. It's this was quite right. We first did it in Go, but then then I rewrote it in Odin because Go was a little bit too slow for a lot of things, and also having GUI is like. That was the best decision ever. Like, that was really the best decision ever. I don't lie. By the way, guys, like I said, you can go marketmonkeyterminal.com. Right. Want to know how it's built? Access the source code and unlock additional benefits. Get insider access. Hey, just telling you, man. I'm just telling you. And if you're basically, I don't know, like a professional market maker friend or something, and you are sick and tired building your own infrastructure with JavaScript or something, or your team is still working in Rust and it takes forever to build something, no problem, man. We can white label or we can figure something out. Contact me. You say it and I build it directly. It's like, you don't need to explain anything. You don't need to explain how it works. You just say, I want this. And I said, okay, it's fine. You know what I mean? Like, we have these 5-minute conversations and that's it. And I deliver next day. Depends on the thing, you know? That's the benefit. That's the benefit of working with me. No hassle, no questions. Nothing. I'm a hitman. You know what I mean? You say, bring him his head, and I bring him his head. You know? That's the thing. Except for changing the text. Shh. Shh. I'm still, I swear to God, I'm gonna make a tweet. I'm gonna make a tweet to the creator. I'm gonna donate as well to him. Like, Mgui is so good. Like, I'm gonna donate, but I'm also gonna tweet, man, why can I not change the fucking text of my button when it's hovering? It's like, I mean, yeah, exactly. We think the same. First of all, we have something. What is special? What the fuck is that? Oh man. Of course, this LSP. Okay, we don't use special, huh? GG. We can delete that. These are for... I'm making the worst settings ever, I'm gonna lie. Audible red, audible green, yellow accent. White. Where am I? Okay. Primary. Questionable color here. Now I need to figure out how I can probably using base green. Two things we can do. We can actually make a function to adjust the alpha on the fly. The question is, do we want that? Multiplication would be nice. Wait, let me open up this, to be honest. I have no good name for this. Gonna be a for F32. We're gonna do a for F32, yeah. And we're gonna actually makes no sense that this actually it should be U8, but can I do this? Can I do that? That makes no sense. It's colon. Buffer! Is this the buffer? Like the buffer from 3 years ago? Is this you, buffer? I swear to God, is this you? I remember a buffer, and he came to my streams. He didn't say not a lot. He just came, say something, and he disappeared. 3 years ago, when I first started streaming, I had three people in the chat and buffer. Four people. Maybe it's another buffer. I don't know, but I can imagine a lot of people call buffer. Buffer. Yeah, dude, it's me, bro. As buffer, man, it's amazing. Buffer is here since the beginning. I swear to God. Buffer. Damn. You see, I never forget these people. Wait. Layer bool color to vec settings green. You see, it makes no sense anymore because right now we're gonna do something like color alpha and then do this thing and then say something like 50 or something. It makes no fucking sense, right? Such a bad color. I think I'm just gonna hardcode the color, to be honest. I don't know why. Makes no fucking sense. Wait, why is this so weird? Are we actually adjusting the alpha? Red, green, blue. Yeah, of course. Oh no! It has no body! It's the alpha. That's for sure. That makes no sense. It makes no sense. Okay, guys, how are we gonna fix this? Wait, let me see. Because it's way too bright. You have the candlesticks and then this volume. It's way too bright. Wait, it's gonna be volume VPVR here. Which color do we pick? I'm gonna hardcode it. Let me put it over the candles here, and then hardcode the color. But we first need to pick one. So I'm gonna say. It's a bit too much. It's gonna be maybe a little bit lighter. A little bit more dimmed. Oh, we just give it a complete different. This is this rabbit hole, man. Meanwhile, the market crashing in our face. Forever. Imagine you're stoned. You can do this for hours. Imagine that, bro. Imagine that. I don't like it. I don't like these colors. I don't like these colors, bro. Again, I'm gonna reset it. I don't like it. But you see, oh yeah. But you see, these colors, they are basically too interweaved. You could do a blending mode. I don't know how to do that in GUI. Adobe Color. Yeah, okay, but the thing is, I don't want to pay for Adobe Color, man. Classical Adobe. Hey man, come on in. Look at this, beautiful colors. Change your colors palette. And then it's boom. 20,000 fields you need to fill in. 30,000 times you need to put in your credit card. And by the end of the day, the tool doesn't work. It's GG. I don't like this color alpha thing, to be honest. The thing is, I cannot make it a constant. I think we could use order book green and order book red because that has a little bit of an alpha in it. a small tiny alpha. Anthony, this is perfectly... What are you doing? This is perfect, man. This is exactly what we want. What's going on? You were a genius after all. Doesn't make sense we call it order book green, but I know, and that's what it needs to be. You don't not need to know. Some other guy in the repo does not need to know. I need to know. That's what we want, and we're gonna do the same thing. Okay, guys, you're right. We call it alpha green and alpha red. What do you think? Or are we gonna call it green alpha? We're gonna call it that. We're not gonna do that because I need to change. Let's use VS Code refactoring. Because otherwise I need to change it all my thing. Proactive was this order book green. Looks like a Magic the Gathering card. A green. Okay, the next thing we need to change to make it beautiful for a good release for the boys, for the insiders. They get a good release. They get the nice colors. They get the stupid yellow is gone. They're gonna get the footprints. They're also gonna get like a better cleaner code because I made this beautiful generic function to add things. It's in the chart widget. We need to be in there. And then we're gonna search for plot volumes. It's not the VPR volumes, but the volumes of the candles. And we are gonna change. Look at this massive structure. No, that is not idiomatic. Shut up, Timmy! A volume Berkel. Volume Bulkel. Guys, I swear to God, I'm really digging the order book green and the order book red naming convention. It's like, it's not that it's the green of the order book anymore. It's like, it's a whole new color that we just created. It's like order book green. Or what is the color of your banner? It's order book green. Wait, this is a very cool color you have for your text. What is that name? It's order book red. This is a new color we just set, guys. We just created a new palette. Shit. What do you think, guys? Oh my god. This is basically how your lungs look if you have like tuberculosis or something. Look at that. Like, ooh, man. And then you stop smoking and you stop vaping, and everything gets healed. You get healed. You get completely healed, man. Look at that. You get healed. But still, there is going to be some leftovers. So if you put your heat map like this and you see these things, this is basically an incredibly amount of volume that sits here. Like an incredibly amount of volume here. Because you basically just filtered out all the fucking noise. Right? Like if you watch heat maps like this, then you're basically garbage. It's too much noise. You know what I mean? So you need to make something like that to get your initial trading ranges. You know what I mean? Just glimpse. And then that's why I basically configured the map. Look at this. I configured it by default filtering noise for you. I gave you this. I gave you like a good preset. A good preset. I gave you, I think, 80% of max range in the color map. We have open space here. You know? What do we think of the colors here? Now they are transparent. It makes sense when you overlap, and it makes sense when you overlap here, right? If you're gonna start zooming in, right? If you're gonna start zooming in, and you're gonna start using footprints or something, you wanna zoom in. Now you're basically a little bit more free of these volumes here. What do you think, guys? Do you like that? Right? Now you can actually dig in and see. Oh my god, what is this? Is an imbalance. Okay. What do you think? What is the color of your BME? Audible green, obviously. No, it's not. It's like audible gray. And it's dirty as fuck. Using the ad, how can you find the signal from this noise? Where can I learn about the theory principles behind that Market Monkey app? In the Market Monkey Discord channel with me. I'm like the most accessible streamer, entrepreneur in the planet. I am 24/7 on my Discord. I answer basically everybody. I'm always joking, saying good mornings, giving people advice, posting shit posts the whole fucking day. As if I have time, and that's what it is. You know what I mean? Because I don't feel different. You and me, we are the same, man. We are homies. You know? It doesn't really matter. Again, I'm gonna say it again. The only difference between me and you is the mindset. That's the only thing. Would you be friends who have an M340Y? That's actually M340Y is good. Is good. Let's actually, to be honest, I'm gonna see. I was behind an was not an M340Y. It was an M1. Open up thingy. It was this M1. Was it? Is it the same thing? Wait, I don't know. M1. M1. Wait. The guy was crazy. BMW. Bayern Motorenwerken. I 340. But I'm looking for this the one thingy. India. Carbill. Why can't I not have a decent website for that? How does these one calls? I think it's the same engine, right? They have the same engine. No, it's not. I have no idea. It was like a 1 series, but man, this thing was so fucking fast because it doesn't weigh anything. B58, is it that? No, B58 is these older B58s. I think it was this one. This M140i. Can that? Is that possible? I couldn't keep up with that. I couldn't keep up with my 500s. I think 560. 500. It's maybe a little bit more. 560 horsepower. M3 competition. I couldn't keep up with this little guy. It was a M140y. That was it. Exactly this car. Completely decked out. This one in blue as well. This one, and we were in the lights on the red lights, and he was first, and I was behind him, and I saw, and I revved my engine, like, you know, with I have this FE exhaust, right? The FE exhaust thingy, so it's a very loud exhaust, not an Akrapovic, but like FE exhaust. You if you're a this one, do I have? The FE one. This one, right? With the tips. This one. Exactly this one. I can get a decent, like fucking decent. You need to check the noise. Very good exhaust. It's crazy good. So I revved and he revved again, and I said, "Whoa!" I said, "Man, this thing is it looks good." You know what I mean? And then I couldn't I couldn't. And the thing was, I think this is because the problem is, and maybe gonna give you a tip if you want to buy something like an M. Because if you buy Audi, like an RS4 or an RS6 or something, or RS3, you're gonna have Quattro, right? That's no big of a deal. But with BMW, you have this. Is it AWD, RWD, like back wheel drive, like achterwielenaandrijving, we say in our country. And I have the I think it's RWD, right? Where's rear? What is the rear? It's RWD, right? I'm sorry, I'm not English. Rear wheel drive. Yeah, rear wheel drive. It's rear wheel drive. Yeah, rear wheel drive. The problem is that there is so much power on my wheels that the weather conditions, the tire conditions, and the surface conditions need to be perfect, or I don't have the full. I cannot even do like how do you call it? I cannot find the words anymore. Like this special start. How do you call it? Like a special start, like you rev and zoom, like this. I don't know. I'm lost my words, but and that's annoying because you can actually lose the first 10, 20 meters against like a Golf GTE or something because you're just a traction control launch exactly because you're just there's too much power on your car. On your back wheels, on your rear wheels, and that's what I found annoying. Of course, once you're driving, I mean, I can drive like 150 kilometers in an hour, just rev it, and I'm basically fly again. But the thing is, from stationary, pressing full power is very, very hard because it's always slipping, or it's annoying. It's burning a little bit out sometimes if you put off the traction control, so it's very annoying. Unless you have like very, very good warm tires, you have very dry surface but not too dusty, and it's dry, then it's fine. But besides that, there's always problem. I always have problems. It's too much power on it. So I would recommend to use something like how do you call it, X-Drive, to buy an X-Drive all the time. Because with X-Drive you don't have that problem. You just stick on the road. All 40 eyes have the B85 engine. Okay. But that thing was fucking fast. It was way faster than mine. Way faster. Not quite sure if it has the same HP, but the thing is that these cars are so light, and it was insane. It was so fast. I thought I'm gonna smoke him. But he smoked me. He smoked me, man. He smoked me. The only things that smoke me on the road are basically Teslas and the first on the lights, right? On the red lights, they always get me. Model 3 gets me. Teslas are getting me all the time. That's the only cars I'm afraid of. Teslas. I will never pull them on the lights. Never. They always win. With like Porsches and all that stuff, that's, I don't know. That's nothing, man. Porsches, that's for pussies. What are we doing here? We're talking about cars. Why? Okay, maybe it's fine. I don't know. Maybe it needs to be a little bit lighter. The thing is that, let me see, because order book green comes from this order book, right? We can give it a little bit more of a chef or a chef treatment. The good thing is then I'm done with these little settings. Everybody's happy, and it can. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Yeah. The problem is going to be that the text here is going to get scuffed 100%. Oh, it's not. Okay. I need to return more. I need to return more data from the server. I'm cheap ass. Look at that. Saving bandwidth, huh? This makes more sense, right? If you zoom in, now you have like this color contrast, and if you want to change it, you can, right? You can change all these things here. Look at that. Big VPVRs. Oh. The smallest ones. All right. RBD wins on track, but RBD is nice. Like driving XP, once you're, I mean, I take a little bit too much of from stationary to acceleration. That's where I really suck, because it's too much power. I swear to God, it's way too much power on the back wheels. My car, for the back wheels only, stationary. The moment you're in like second, third, then it's fine, right? Then if you rev it, then you're gonna feel him, but it's controllable. It's not that it's gonna slip or it's gonna you can feel it, but the moment you're out of the stationary, you're insanely fast. This thing is brutally fast, man. It's crazy. Yeah, I have him 1 year now, so I'm really used to it. So I really know like what I can do and what not, right? You're never gonna see me like doing crazy stuff when it's wet, or when I'm under a bridge or on a bridge, or when I see that there's too much dirt on the road. You don't fuck with these conditions. You don't do that, because you're faster out of the corner and you think with these things. Okay, that looks good. We have this perfectly here. We have this lines here. That's nice for some reason, but that's cool. We have fixed this. We just have fixed this kinda. I'm not the biggest fan. The only thing I need to do is change this when there is a line. I need to change this red. This sucks so hard. We need to do it right now. This is completely garbage. The thing is, how are we gonna do that, huh? And now we did some minor stuff, and then I can focus on the good stuff tomorrow, right? Non-linear sound. What's up, man? I know you. Your name is very, 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 very familiar. So it's mGUI in Odin, yes. No, you don't need to be sorry, it's fine. You don't need to be sorry. Yeah. Man, I really hate to do these things. I don't like that. These funny little things. And I thought, man, I'm gonna stream and I'm gonna do it there. Basically, softens the pain a little bit. I know it's maybe not that interesting, but I can talk a little bit more because I don't need to think. Because believe it or not, a lot of these things that I need to do here are not really straightforward, even not for me all the time. So I need to sometimes think a lot, and that's not cool for streaming. That's very, very bad content. Because I don't know that, right? It's not that I... I need to think and I need to suffer as well, just like you. I'm no different, man. Melody versus Gorilla for WebSockets. I use Gorilla. But if you really want to be... There is a better package, because Gorilla uses reflection and all that stuff. You can do it without, but I mean... That's not the bottleneck. That's really not the bottleneck. It's really not. But if you really want to micro optimize, that you don't use Gorilla. If you want to micro optimize, right? Basically everything with reflection is a bottleneck, right? That's why I'm using like, what is it called? Actually don't know. Fast JSON. I think maybe ByteDance is even faster. Sonic ByteDance, I don't know. Need to check. Hi, I'm from Kazakhstan. I love listening to your streams while coding. You fill me with energy, man. That's the thing, Ilya. That's the thing. That's what I'm here for, right? That's what I'm here for. I'm not like teaching how to code is like I can teach you some tricks here and there. Are they always perfect? Probably not, but it's my style and it's fine. It works. That's how it is. Don't listen to people on the internet all the time. They're gonna give you like paradigms and they're gonna give you like assumptions how to code, but who says that? Right? And what kind of a book of law is that? There are 20 million books. One book you need to do this, one book you need to do that. Just do yourself. If it feels good for you, that's nice. So I cannot really teach you these things. I can only teach you how I do things, and I can give you energy. That's a motivation. That's who I am. That's why you watch me, right? That's why you watch me. You have you don't want to code. You're a little bit lazy. I have these days as well. You cannot find the motivation to do something. Boom! And now you see me doing stuff and you want to do it. You also want to do it. So you do it. That's how I did it as well. It works the same with me. Like again, we are no different. I do the same. Sometimes I'm demotivated and I watch Odin or I watch Jonathan Blow or some other developer. And I think, fuck! Yes! And you start something. You start something annoying. You start something useless. And it turns into something amazing. Because I swear to God, guys, listen. So I'm going to tell you why I started this. So what happened actually? Okay, so I was working on FanMade. But it completely turned into a disaster. It turned into a fucking disaster. Hey, not everything works. Disaster. It was annoying. Like, not safe for work stuff. You cannot market it. It's a problem. Nah. I couldn't do anything on my stream with it, so it was basically the worst decision in my life. Right. So I fucked it up with FanMade. Okay, that's on me. My bad. I realized that. Okay, I take it. Then I was doing other stuff with AI because we're doing things with AI and AI was popular and yada yada. So I was chasing the shiny things where I have no product founder fit. You know, like it's cool, but it's not like the only thing you do is just you're wrapping things. Okay, that's nice if you're into that, but I'm not. Don't get me joy. So we were doing some base run or run base thing, and it didn't turn out. I lost my motivation. And then I had a couple bad weeks, I think, or a bad week, or a week and a half. Let's say 2 weeks. Let's round it. Let's round that. I was really demotivated. Didn't find the motivation to program. I was the gym. I was depressed because if there is no purpose in my life, I feel a little bit depressed. Well, depressed. You know, I feel down. Blues. I feel a blues. And I was. In my dreams, I don't know what happens sometimes, but I'm a weird person. And I swear to God, it's no lie. It's really no lie. In my dreams, I dreamt. Do you say that? Dreamt? Is that a thing? In my dreams, I dreamt. In my dreams, I was dreaming that I was making a charting thing from scratch in Golang with Relib. I swear to God. I was dreaming that. I dreamt that. Dreamt. Okay, dreamt is a thing. Thank you. I dreamt that. And I woke up. I swear, this is no fucking lie. I woke up 2 months ago. And I said, okay, fuck everyone. I'm gonna build a stupid, useless charting app for no fucking reason. Why? Because I just love to do that. It's useless. I was thinking, okay, it's not gonna. I'm just gonna do it. Fuck it. And that's where this first tweet came from, right? ClickHouse. Where can we find that? Oh, I have so many. Whatever. It's on my tweet. 500k views. 500,000 views. Like 2 stupid screens. With Railip and Golang and the stupid chart thing. Like super scuffed. And people were throwing me for the bus there. Because I said 60 FPS. Real time 60 FPS. And they were like these stupid screens. Like it was so garbage, it was so trash, and people were throwing me for the bus. Like 500,000 views on Twitter. I was getting clapped on the fucking cheeks. Kraken was there dissing me. Every competitor was dissing me. They were all fucking dissing me. Like, oh, look at our app is way better. And it's something is what you do not need to do with Anthony fucking GG is throwing him for the bus. And saying, because I'm gonna break everybody's fucking ankles. I swear to God. I was telling me, okay. I said, okay, it's good. You're gonna laugh with me, Kraken? That's good. It's fine. Okay, GG. The other guy from Okitoki. I need to find the tweets. We need to find it. The other guy from Okitoki as well. They were laughing at me. I said, okay, guys, good. We will talk in 2 weeks. We will talk in 2 weeks. Grok is gonna do that. Grok is gonna find me the tweet that had over 500k views. Find me the tweet. They were finding a new with the terminal, with the 60, with the real time 60 FPS. Whatever. Grok is too good. I'm spitting. Come on, man! This thing is so fucking garbage. I mean, why? It's so fucking garbage. Fanmate. Hey, this one. No, yes, it's this one. Oh, it was not 500k. It's 498. Grok could not find it. Hey, this one. This is the tweet. This tweet, I tweeted this one. This was my app. This is Market Monkey 2 months ago. 7 January. You cannot see it, but this was my tweet. This was my thing. You see that? And the boys were fucking laughing. Here, trading view cooked. I can basically see why they're laughing, right? Because this is like, but hey, I'm a marketing genius, right? But you can see, here this guy, Hey, this one. I smoked him. He smoked like salmon. It's already over. I built his app in 2 months, 20 times better. Look at that. What is this? Why is this so annoying? Anyway. And now we have this, guys. Now we have this. So everybody's relaxed. I don't hear anybody anymore. They're basically in panic, sweating because I'm coming from everybody. You know what I mean? I'm coming! And that's what she said. You know, me and the community, we together, right? We're going after these motherfuckers that dissed me in the beginning. That basically were throwing me for the bus. Because you cannot blame them because they did not know the vision I had in my mind. You see? You see what's the difference? Who's gonna post this crazy post that I did? This scuff thing. Nobody's gonna do that because people are ashamed of posting that. But I'm not like this. It's like I cannot see it like that. Because in my mind, it was already this huge thing, this amazing thing. You know? Guys, and we're gonna, it's gonna be amazing, man. And you can be there, Tiamat. Just who does this? You can be a part of it, baby. Yes. In all seriousness, I found a tweet yesterday from him, and after finding his YouTube, my guy's brain's on another paradigm. That's not, well, like I said, my brain's maybe on another paradigm, but it's not the paradigm of smartness. I just think differently, you know what I mean? Sometimes I'm a big idiot, I swear to God. Like I have a weird spectrum. I have the spectrum of retard, or genius. Einstein. I'm here or I'm here. I'm never in between. You know what I mean? Like, I'm binary. You know? Bro dreamed about calling. Mindset again, guys. Mindset. Gonna keep repeating it. Fucking mindset. That's the only thing that matters. I wrote this on my Discord, on the Market Monkey Discord, so you can join it if you want. Shit. Here. What did I say here? Here, guys. Somebody said, like, I don't know what the discussion really was, but I said, I put my mind and my soul into my work and I have lost my mind in the process. That's from Vincent van Gogh, you know what I mean? And that's what I do for the whole of my life, basically, right? Nothing to do with being good. It's like, I don't know. I can see things, man. I see dead people. I can feel things. I can see things. You need to free your fucking mind, man. You need to free it. And then you can see it as well. Because the only thing you see... Who is this? Why is it cutting off his thing? Why are your names so weird? Who is doing this? Oh, streamer mode. Yeah, now I see it. Streamer mode is basically like not doxing people. I see. Okay, GG. Man, I'm learning. Anyway, guys, let it run one more time. And yeah, Sunday market, man. Sunday market shenanigans going on. We're gonna fix this. Yeah, I will do it later. These things is super annoying here. But hey, this is what it is, bro. Look at that. Even aggregated. No fucking problem. Look at this big motherfucker here. Here. Holy crap. 1 hour. No fucking problem. Alright, I'm going to build my library app using Avalonia and C# just because I feel like it, not because it's actually useful. Yes, man! That's it. That's it. Because you have the urge to do it while you do it. You know what I mean? There are only 2 reasons why people stop for a project. One, they think that it's going to be useless. They think nobody is going to use it. And they're wasting their time. In the beginning there's dopamine. Then you come troubles. You come against troubles. Your code is not working. There are bugs here, bugs there. So motivation, dopamine is flowing away. And then you're rethinking your existence. Why am I doing this? Nobody is going to use it. Why am I wasting my time? That's where you quit. And that's a problem. You can't. You stop thinking about everybody else, man. You're the only person on this planet. That's how you need to think. You're going to free your mind. Yes, baby. Forza Belgium. I swear to God, on the news, my city is on the news because a couple of kids have basically put some fire in the woods. I swear to God. I'm not gonna say where I live, but damn, the whole city was on fire basically. Can you imagine that? What are these purple things I hear you think? I think the same. These are imbalances. But you can basically configure them. I'm gonna make a setting here for footprints where you can configure your imbalance ratio. I think it's 500% or something right now. Is it actually useful? I mean, people want that, but like, what you gonna do? Which MGUI bindings to Odin did you use, Anthony? The ones we generated for 1.5 weeks. We basically spent 1.5 weeks generating bindings. No, MGUI bindings is fast. Actually, to be honest, I can help you directly with MGUI bindings. MGUI. It's the L4 repo. L4 MGUI. Here. Go to this repo. This repo, just follow what he says. Easy peasy. It's just gonna build. Python 3 build by. And it's gonna build everything. And you're good. The moment you're gonna use implot, you fucked. And that's where we spent 1.5 weeks figuring it out. So now I have my own implot bindings. These are my own bindings. You see, this is all manually written, right? Because I have these special underscore. Wait. Yeah, I have these special things like because returning in a vec2 is basically in C. You basically take a pointer to it, right? An in-out pattern. You take a pointer, and the bindings that you're gonna generate, because there are some Odin binding generators. Generic ones, and it's going to return you a vec2, and you're gonna have segmentation faults because you're pointing to garbage memory that doesn't exist. So I needed to wrap it all manually. But the thing is, I'm only porting stuff that I actually need. Right? A couple of these things are automatically generated, but I stopped doing that because... No, I think Teddy generated these with cursor, I think. But we needed to stop doing that due to errors. But for MGUI works perfectly fine. You can, the L4 is amazing, but implot. But to be honest, for implot, the only thing I use in implot is basically like axis settings, like setting the axes, getting the plot limits, begin plot, end plot, subplots, because they put a clip rect in the draw list as well, so it's very nice, right? For example, The whole heat map is drawn with mGUI's draw list. This heat map, right? So you can actually do it with mGUI itself. The cool stuff about mplot is that it basically, you see, you have this plot rect. This is a clip rect that basically clips everything, right? Candlesticks is also custom made. VPVR, custom made. Volumes here, custom made. Footprints, all custom made basically. But the plot limits and the axis limits are just nice to have, right? Because you get these scales for free, you get this for free, you get these things for free, like, you get a lot of shit for free, right? Like grid lines, for example. Boom, you see. So you get some cool stuff for free. I like this. You get even the selector for free. Boom! Here comes the boom! Why is ClickHouse so popular with quants? Because, well, the thing is because you can insert very fast, insert and query very fast, right? That's super important. You do not need to update or alter tables, right? Because that's where ClickHouse is not really shining in comparison with Postgres or something. Do not take these things that I say right now like absolute truth because I'm not an expert. But with ClickHouse, you can do an insanely high amount of inserts and queries, right? And what the quants most of the time doing is like they need to, if you make the market, sometimes you need to do a shit ton of like place limit orders in a second. Right? For example, 8,000 orders in a second is not that weird, right? The thing is, you also need to have this data stored or pulled out in real time to draw somewhere on a plot or something, right? So that's where ClickHouse is very, very interesting because you can insert it, but you can also read it very fast. So what we're gonna do, what I'm thinking to do, is basically how are people going to interrupt with Market Monkey, which is by far going to be the best visual representation on that exists, better than Bloomberg, better than, it's going to be better than Trading Light, Trading View. Trading View is more like drawing stuff, but like with Windows and all that stuff, the freedom that you already have right now with Market Monkey is unseen, right? Thanks to mGUI, right? You can have like tabs in tabs in tabs and charts, and it's like you can have like 50 of these tabs in tabs in tabs, like a rabbit hole, and it's all going to be saved, right? So you have a very, very freedom of layouts, which you don't have in all these other tools. Like you have 4 layouts and that's it. But okay, trading view, it's all for the retail traders, right? How are we going to interrupt with the real deals, the big boys, right? Of course, I'm going to implement WASM scripting engine, so beginners or even experienced people can write scripts in Python and can run it and execute it. But what if you have like a custom ML machine learning pipeline, or you have like custom things that is basically hooked in your infrastructure, right? Like you have your whole your model pipeline for big institutions are way complexer than just a simple script that is going to calculate a simple imbalance or a fair value price by using a fucking TWAP or a VWAP or something. You know what I mean? So how are you going to interrupt with that? Well, what if I directly read from ClickHouse DB in real time? Because that's where it's made from, right? It's super fast, so I can actually use mGUI, give these people a view, give them a fixed interface of, okay, if you want to plot, this is how you insert a query in this table. So each time I can make a new thing. This is actually basically a secret, but because there are only 40 people viewing on the stream, nobody's gonna steal my ID. So they're gonna, for example, they can open up stats by bit, but you can also open up custom thing. This ClickHouse DB view. Boom. You open it. That's gonna... I need to change this. This thingy. You open it. It in real time is gonna read from your DB. From a ClickHouse DB. Where you are inserting data on the fly. With your ML toolkit scripts. Your model is pushing data into this DB. And I'm reading it here at the same time. In real time. And plotting your stuff. So you have this interoperability, which is not yet been validated. I still need to figure out if my idea is really gonna work. But that gives you the option to basically say, okay, guys, listen, you have a lot of quants, a lot of people that are modeling stuff. You do not need to hire people to build fucking things in 3GS or in whatever fucking bullshit tool and fix bugs of Windows the whole day long. No, you can use this tool. You know what I mean? That's basically a simple idea that I'm trying to investigate, right? We're gonna see if it's gonna turn out. Why is this? Why is this heat map scuffed? Probably Bybit. Hyperliquid. Zero depth. So one thing, actually, this little thing I wanna... Ooh, look at that. So if you're interested in learning all that stuff, if you want to be a part, if you're a trader or whatever, join Discord community. You can buy insider access, whatever you want. Yeah, you see what you do. You're a free man or a free woman or a free thing on the spectrum, you know. All right, guys, I'm gonna dip it because I need to bring some bread to my wife because I forgot that. So I need to bring her bread. Is it bread like half grof? Because she was too lazy to go to the store and I needed to do it, and I was too stupid to give it to her. So I need to go to her house and bring her een half gesneden bruin brood. All right, guys. Thanks for being here. I'm a quant trader. How much will this product cost for my trading firm? Ashton. Man, are you really sitting here for 2 hours and 20 minutes, Ashton? What's wasting your fucking time watching my stream? Ashton, Jesus. Not even a goal like that. I'm just following this channel because you're a good guy. Thank you so much, man. MT Coach. You see, we are getting along with each other. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for being on the stream. Like I said before, again, I'm gonna end every time when I end my stream, I'm gonna say, do not take things for granted. Send your kids, your wife, your parents, your grandparents, send them a message that you love them. You know what I mean? Because the biggest mistake we make in our lives is taking things for granted. We cannot do that. Not do that.